Now, yesterday or previous sessions we saw how to determine whether the function is increasing or exactly what is increasing function, decreasing function, and then later on we saw what is local maxima and local minima. Welcome, myself is Samir sir, who was coaching you up till now to you without the identity. Now it's me. Now we'll continue with our studies. I have written a question over here. It says function of x is 2 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube, where the x belongs to some real number. Okay? I am not knowing what I have to do. What I am doing is I am gradually solving it. I know कि whether the function is increasing or decreasing or maxima or minima, everything has to be dealt with derivative. Everyone has to do something or other with the derivative. So I am trying to deal with the derivative. That is, I will first find derivative of this function. So obviously your f dash x will be 2 constant 0, 3x will become minus 3, x square is 2x into 3, that is 6x, and x cube is minus 3x square. The ideal part is I will better take this minus sign common outside, and if anything is common probably, that is 3, I think so, 3. So arranging in ascending order or descending order. Now it is in ascending order, we will take it in descending order. So this particular power will come pehle, minus 3 has come out, so this will become x square. Agreed? And then this is plus, right? Minus is outside, so it will become minus 2x, right? And this minus 3 has come out, so it is 1. So what do I get? If you see it very carefully, what you get here is that this is x square minus 2x plus 1. That means it is the expansion of x minus 1 the whole square. So I get this as minus 3 into x minus 1 the whole square. Agreed? Now, if I get this as x minus 1 the whole square, what do I tell myself? I tell कि x minus 1 the whole square is always either greater than or equal to 0. Right? So either it will be 0 or greater than 0. Right? So now if it is greater than 0, now if x is not equal to 1, that is if x is not equal to 1, then so called as your f dash x, right? So since it is not equal to 1, so being any other value, it is going to be always positive. So f dash x, so this value, see this x minus 1 the whole square is going to become positive, and multiplied by minus 3 will always make it negative. Getting it? You understood? Or shall I write it like this? If x is not equal to 1, then obviously this x minus 1 the whole square is going to become positive. Means if the bracket term is negative or positive, the whole square is going to be positive. Okay? So that is positive. But since it is multiple with minus, so that is why it will become negative. Means I can say कि therefore function is, you see the derivative is negative. Derivative is negative first. First derivative is negative. That means tan theta is negative. Tan theta is negative, that means slope is negative. That means the angle is obtuse. Okay? That means I can say कि function is decreasing. Decreasing for all x belonging to real number except 1. But if you remember, we always say कि after the function becomes increasing or decreasing and it attains attains the stationary point. If you remember the graph which I showed you, suppose this is your decreasing function, and after this it attains a stationary point, means here f dash x is always 0, then too we call it as decreasing, but we don't call it as strictly decreasing. Means I can say कि function is strictly decreasing for all the values of x belonging to real number except 1, and if you take this value even 1, then it is only decreasing but not monotonically decreasing. So I can say here that this function is decreasing for all x belonging to real number, but if you want strictly decreasing, so you have to say the function is strictly decreasing for all x belonging to real number except for 1. But otherwise I can say the function is decreasing for all x belonging to real number. Okay, so we did not actually say whether we are talking about increasing or decreasing function, but we tried to get directly to the question. So now we will deal with the questions which are talking about increasing and decreasing functions. Now I have written another question. It says the function of x is x minus 1 by x, where x belongs to real number. Okay. Now actually when you solve this particular question, I have not given any condition over here, huh? So that I will think later on. So I know increasing, decreasing, then maxima, minima, all deal with first derivative. So I will find first derivative. So first derivative of this, what you will get? F dash x is derivative of x is 1, right? And 1 by x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. So this minus will make it as 1 plus. Okay. Now if this is the derivative which is being told to you, you can say whether it is increasing or decreasing depending strictly on the value of x. Means I have to comment about the value of x. Whatever is the value of x other than 0, this can be defined. Means function is not defined when I have x is, that is derivative is not possible if x is equal to 0. So here the condition must be mentioned that x is not equal to 0. Now since x is not equal to 0, that is since you have x belonging to real number and x is not equal to 0, so 1 by x square is always positive, right? It cannot be 0 also, huh? It is only positive. Now it is positive, so obviously 1 plus 1 by x square is positive, indicating f dash x is positive. And if the first derivative is positive, then the function is increasing. So therefore I can say here the function of x is increasing for all x belonging to real number except 0. Got it? I hope you understood. Now we will find the points where it is actually increasing or maybe decreasing. Now I have written a question which says function of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 36x plus 7. To find out the point whether it is increasing at that particular point or decreasing at that particular point, so we need to find, obviously you know very nicely that even if it is increasing or maybe decreasing or maybe having maximum point or maybe so called as minimum, that is critical point is required over here. So it is not asked, but we will proceed with this particular question. So I will be finding first derivative over here. So f dash x will be obviously your 3x square, agreed, x cube, x raised to n, nx raised to n minus 1. So it is 3x square minus 6 remaining there as it is. X square derivative is 2x, so you get here 12x minus 36, and 7 being constant, so it is going to become 0. Now I would better take some common, which is x square minus 3 4s are x minus 3 12s are. Okay, so cross check it once again. X square minus 4x minus 12, 3x square minus 12x minus 36. Now whatever I got is a quadratic equation. Now it is a quadratic equation, so it can have two real roots, it can have imaginary roots, it can have complex roots, or it can have mix up of both. So I will try to solve by general factorization if it is possible. So 12 is there, so I will try to factorize it. So I get 12, subtraction should be 4, so 6 2s is 12. So I get here x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0, which nothing but becomes x minus 6 into bracket, you get here x plus 4. Okay, just cross check it once again. X square plus 4x minus 6x minus 12. 12 means 2. I think so this will be 2. Okay, this is 2. Okay. Something is written wrong, I think so. So let us cross check it once again. Got the error. The error was here. See, it is 6 4s are. Actually it is 6 2s are. I spelled 2 but wrote 4. So this is your 2. So obviously you will get here so called as x minus 6, and this is x plus 2. Okay. So you can cross check it. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 12. Okay. So you can get the critical point over here. So I am just checking what happens. Now whether it is increasing or decreasing, or for maxima or for minima. Any case, I have to find the first derivative which I have found out. Right. Now the function, if it is I am thinking for increasing, that is, now see, if function of x is increasing, I am going to go with all the possibilities. See please, if the function is increasing, if it is increasing, तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि f dash x must be greater than 0. That is positive. Okay. So f dash x means I have 3 into x minus 6 into x plus 2 must be greater than 0. So obviously 3 to already is greater than 0, so no need to talk about that. That means x minus 6 into x plus 2 must be greater than 0. Now I will go by traditional way of thinking, which is up to your standard 12. Then I will show you something else also. That is not now, I will show you afterwards. Generally see, now I want this bracket into this bracket positive. Means what? Ki either x minus 6 must be positive, and at that same time x plus 2 must be also positive. So this is your case 1. Right? Ki it is positive if and only if the first bracket is positive as well as second bracket is positive. Got it? So now obviously it means that ki x must be greater than 6, and at that same time x must be greater than minus 2. Right? So when I see this, so I can say here, see now this thing very carefully. So therefore your x will belong to the first one. Greater than 6 means 6 is not included. The 6 is not included. So think like Samir sir, what he thinks. 6 not included, that means must be open. And it must go up to what? No end. All the numbers greater than 6. That means it must go up to infinite. Right? And at that same time, it must be x must belong to, see this, Greater than minus 2 means not including minus 2. It will go up to what? Again this will go up to minus 2, then continuing further minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Right? So I need to say case 1 gives me x which belongs to the open interval of 6 to infinity. Agreed? And that means together with this, that is your union of so called as, or intersection actually is intersection of so called as, and is there not the intersection of minus 2 to infinity, right? So it means that I will be finding the common solution for this. So to understand this, I will draw a graph of this. That is, I will plot it on the number line. See, okay? Who is smaller, 6 or minus 2? Minus 2. So this is your minus 2, okay? This is your minus 1, this is your 0, 1, 2, and this is your 6, and so on. And this is your infinity, right? So minus 2 to infinity means it will start from here up to infinite. And 6 to infinity means it will start from where? From here to infinite. So which portion is common for both? This portion. Right? This particular portion is common. That means your case 1 yields you the result that x belongs to 6 to infinity. Okay? The condition of AND is very important over here. The AND condition tells you number of things. Okay? So now I will be going on to the next condition. I did not take a cloth actually, or duster so called as. Okay. So now I will go to case 2. What I should think now? What is the thing I should think? When I go to case 2, what I think here is, okay, I want positive. Agreed? I want positive. That means either the first one must be negative, and at that same time the second also must be negative. Agreed? So obviously I will get here कि x must be less than 6, and at that same time x must be less than minus 2. So when I write it in this particular format, so x must belong to what? Less than 6. Less than 6 means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That means it will go up to minus infinity, and infinity we don't include. So that is why round bracket, and here 6 also is not included, so round bracket. And at that same time this x must belong to minus 2, less than minus 2. It will come to this side, less than minus 2. See here, this is your minus 2, this is your minus 3, this is your minus 4, this is your minus 5, this side. So it will go again to minus infinity. So that is minus infinity up to so called as minus 2. Agreed? That means I can get this x belongs to so called as minus infinity to 6, both open, and the intersection of minus infinity to minus 2. Okay? Now I will find the common region for both. So for common region, what I will do? I will draw a number line in which I will take so called as 6. So this is your 6, this is your so called as 0, this is your minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this will become your minus infinity. So 6 to minus infinity means from here to here, and minus 2 to minus infinity means this to this. Means the common region comes this one. Agreed? So this is your common region. So obviously your x is here so called as belonging to this particular interval, that is minus infinity to minus 2. So I can say कि either this function must take the values which go from 6 to infinity, or take the value from minus infinity to minus 2. So I can say here कि this particular function, that is I can say कि function of x is increasing for x belonging to either this interval that is 6 and infinity, or means union, so called as right here minus infinity to minus 2. Okay, now this is the way actually you have to do for solving, but I will show you one shortcut also. Okay, that I will show you. Whether to use or not in board, I would not suggest you, but if it is that if you are going to solve it in if it is for only 2 marks, then better don't do all these things. Then you can use that shortcut which I am telling you. It is called as wavy curve method. So it is called as wavy curve method. So what you do is, first you get the critical point, that is, see what I am doing now, wavy curve method. Okay, now x minus 6 and x plus 2 greater than 0, less than 0, that you don't consider right now. So you will get here x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 2. That is taking both equal to 0. What you do? Draw a number line. Don't draw hole. What are your critical points? 6 and minus 2, right? Critical points means those points which are going to decide something. So these are the deciding points. So these 2 points you plot a number line. So number line, who will come first, 6 or minus 2? To the left side will be minus 2. Obviously, here minus 2 and this will be your 6. Okay. Now after the extreme right, compulsory after the extreme right, you take this particular portion like this and write plus sign over here. That means all the values after 6, that is the highest value, will be always positive. Means it is going to give you positive value. Okay. Now between minus 2 and 6, you select any value. Which value you would like to select? Minus 2 and 6. You can select minus 1, you can select 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take any decimal values also. But for calculation, you take the value which will help you. So which value you would like to take? Let us take 0. Chalega? Okay. So if you take 0 over here, so forget this 3. 0 minus 6. Agreed that here it remains minus 6. And 0 plus 2, that is 2. So minus 6 into 2. How much? Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Minus 12 into 3 is minus 36. So you got answer negative. So the value between minus 2 and 6 is negative. So it is opposing this particular plus sign, right? So if it is changing sign, come down. Draw it like this. You have to draw a wave. That is why it is called as wavy curve. Wave and curve. Okay. So here it becomes minus. Okay. Now you think ki what value will give you so called as before minus 2. So before, that is less than minus 2. Before minus 2 means less than minus 2. So less than minus 2, which value will take? Shall I take minus 5? Okay. So minus, you can take minus 3 also, minus 2.11111 also. But you take, suppose the value which can be easily solvable. So what to take? Minus 3. Okay, minus 3. So minus 3 if I take, so this is minus 3, minus 6, total minus 9, minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. So this is negative, becomes positive, and into positive is going to become positive. So it becomes positive, that means sign changes. So again it will go upside like this. Now you can see ki where you are getting positive. You are getting positive after 6 to infinity and less than minus 2 to minus infinity. That means I can say ki function is increasing. It is increasing in x belonging to 6 not included. That will not be included because it is equal to 0. Remember, वो equal to 0 है तो वो include नहीं होता है, या तो बड़ा या तो छोटा के लिए. तो you have to get it greater than 0. तो 6 not included to infinity union. Here minus 2 not included to minus infinity. Okay. So here it is minus infinity to minus 2. Okay. Now it is not asked, but we understood the function will be decreasing if the f dash x, that is first derivative, is negative. So where is negative? It is negative between this point, right? So I can say कि फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग, function is decreasing in x belonging to -2 to 6. Isn't it very easy? Yes, it is. See these lines and see this. Huh? So it is very simple. I will show you one or the more question in this particular way. You will get a hand on it and you can do it anytime. Now, can we get this answer by solving like this? Yes, obviously. Let us check. That is for decreasing. That is function of x is decreasing if f dash x is negative. F dash x is negative, that means x minus 6 into x plus 2 is less than 0. I am not considering 3 because 3 already is positive, so it cannot fall in the category of negative. So this must be less than 0. So case 1 when I come here, like the first one, case 1 when I come here, so when I get negative, when do I get multiplication negative? Multiplication I will get negative if the first one is negative and the second one is positive, that is product, or the first one is positive and second is negative, or vice versa. Okay, that means I should get x minus 6 is suppose positive, and at that time x plus 2 must be what? Negative. So obviously your x must be greater than 6, and at that time x must be less than minus 2. It means that x must belong to the open interval of 6 to infinity, and at that same time x must belong to the open interval of minus infinity to minus 2, because it is less than minus 2. Okay, that means this and this we require a common part in that, and is there. And का मतलब होता है intersection and or का मतलब होता है union. इतना याद रखो. तो here I require common, so I will just plot and see what exactly this wants to say. Okay, so this is your minus 2 and this is your 6. Okay, so 6 to infinity means this part. Understood? And minus infinity to 2 means this part. Is there anything common? No. That means this is absurd. Okay, this whatever is there is absurd. That means this is not possible. Okay, so I will say here this is not possible. So dropping that idea, let us go to case 2. So when I go to case 2, what I get? X minus 6 must be less than 0, and at that time x plus 2 must be greater than 0. Getting it? Understood? So what I get here, कि x must be less than 6, and at that same time x must be greater than minus 2. So x must belong to the intersection, that is set of this is less than 6, means it must be from minus infinity to 6, right? And at that same time x must belong to greater than minus 2, that is minus 2 to infinity. So if I plot it, and is there, so if I plot it, this will be your minus infinity, this will be your plus infinity, this will be your minus 2, and this will be your 6. Now let us see this minus infinity to 6, so is this portion. Okay, and minus 2 to infinity is this portion. Getting it? So which portion came common? Say this. Right? That means this is having a solution. Here the solution was not there in case 1. The solution is minus 2 to 6. So therefore your x belongs to minus 2 to 6. So function is decreasing if x takes the value between minus 2 to 6. I hope your concept is cleared. I will go on with this question ahead also, because I have not written anything for this particular question. So I will go ahead and think on this particular question. Same question. I am not cleaning it all, but some part I will clean it so that the main question remains with us. We are only interested in f dash x, so that I will keep with me. Okay. So I will clean that much and then we will start. So I have kept the same question and I have cleaned up to the part which I want. Now you know if f dash x is this one. Now if f dash x is 0, so that is the point. It will give you the points, that is critical points, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of points depending on the degree of that particular polynomial. Here the degree of polynomial is 2, that means you will get 2 points over here. Those 2 will be the critical points. Now those 2 critical points which you are getting over here, now it is possible that at that particular point it will be maximum or minimum. Okay, so I will find the critical point. So I know one thing very clearly, that if it is maximum or minimum, the first derivative is going to be 0. So I am finding the first derivative which I have already found out. So I will say here, for minimum or maximum, in any case I need to find the critical point. F dash x is 0. F dash x is 0, that means 3 into x minus 6 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So even any person, that is a child from KG, also can say that 3 is not equal to 0. So here x minus 6 is 0, so you will get x is equal to 6 and or x is equal to minus 2. So you got 2 points, right? So you got x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. Now I am not knowing what is the role of this point, but these are the critical points where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Yani to the left if the function is increasing and to the right if the function is decreasing, this point will be the point of maximum. So I have to check for mine, that is to the left also and to the right also. That becomes a tedious job because left को ढूंढो, check करो right increasing है क्या नहीं है, right को ले लो, check करो decreasing है क्या नहीं, और vice versa. That is critical. So what we do is we take second derivative. Second derivative test we apply. What it says here, कि now your f double dash x. So no, don't take this one. Don't take this one. Huh? Go to the first one. 3x square minus 12 minus 36. So it is 6x, 3x square, x square is equal to 2x into 3 minus 12. Right? This is your second derivative. Now you will ask me, okay, what Samir sir, you told us that I am going to get here positive or negative, I did not get anything. Yeah, you did not get anything because you still have a variable over here. So that variable you have a value over here, either 6 or minus 2. So put that value and decide now whether it is positive or negative. So here, what is this? F double dash x at x is equal to 6, right? This point is 6 into 6 minus 12. That is 6 minus 6 is 36. 36 minus 12 is how much? 24. Not interested. Positive. Bas. So what I get? I say the function of x is, if the second derivative is positive, the function of x is minimum. So it is minimum at x is equal to 6. Okay. So it is minimum at x is equal to 6. यानी जब x का वैल्यू 6 होगा तो फंक्शन का वैल्यू सबसे कम होगा, बराबर. तो what will be the minimum value? तो hence minimum value will be what? Minimum value is, this is your function of x. We are finding minimum and maximum of a function and not of derivative. So minimum value of function of x, that is f of 6, is equal to 6 cube minus 6 into 6, it is na 6 square minus 36 into 6 plus 7. Now 6 cube is 36 into 6, na? So this goes, agreed? This will go 6 6 6 6, yes, correct. And this is again so called as 6 cube. So 36 into 6, I think so, is 216, na? Yes, so it will be minus 216 plus 7. So it is nothing but minus 209. So minimum value is minus 209. Check the calculation, there may be some mistake in the calculation also. So you have to just, I just showed you how we can get it. Now you have another point also. There I will check my f double dash x. So f double dash x at x is equal to what? Minus 2. So that will be what? That will be so called as, this is your f double dash x, 6 into minus 2, minus 12, right? So 6 into minus 2 is what? Negative. Minus 12 is what? Negative. So it will be negative. So if the second derivative is negative, so it very clearly tells that function has maximum value at x is equal to minus 2. So therefore function of x has maximum at x is equal to minus 2. So what will be the maximum value? So therefore maximum value is what? It is function of here, function of minus 2. So it is minus 2 cube minus 6 into minus 2 square minus 36 into minus 2 plus 7. So that becomes minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube is minus 8 and 3 minus sign, correct? Minus and 2 minus. So 6 4s are 24. So it is minus 24. 36 2s are 72, but plus 7. So it becomes 72 plus 7, 79. 79 minus 32. So 79 minus 32 is 47. Okay. Now the question also can be extended like this. Ki find the difference between maximum and minimum value. So difference between maximum and minimum value will be what? The maximum value is your 47 minus 209. This is your difference, that is 47 plus 209. Okay, so it is 247 plus 9, that is 256, correct? That is 256. This is the difference. Now many of you might have shocked, because when I was a student, then I used to think in this particular way कि यार x तो बड़ा दिख रहा है 6 है और वहां पर आ रहा है मिनिमम, राइट? और x is equal to minus 2 वहां पर आया maximum. Yes, why it is so? Because it is completely dependent on what? It is completely dependent on the function which is given. Okay, the function decides where it will be maximum or where it will be minimum. Okay, got it? So what type of question it was, we are not interested in that, but we found out increasing also where it is increasing, we found out where it is decreasing, we found out the critical points, we found out where it is maximum, we found out where it is minimum, we found out maximum value, we found out minimum value, and we also found out so called as difference between the maximum value and minimum value. Now let us discuss this question. Here function of x is given to you as 2x cube minus 15x square minus 144x minus 7. So obviously for anything increasing, decreasing, maxima, minima, you need to find the first derivative. The first derivative over here is your 6x square minus 30x minus 144. Can I take something common? Yeah, I can take 6 common, I think so. So x square minus 5x minus 6 2s are 12 and 6 4s are. Yes. Can I factorize it? 24. Subtraction should be 5. 8 3s are. So 6x square minus 8x. Watch if I am writing correctly or not. Otherwise, like last time, instead of 2 I write 4. So 8 3s are na. So 8 3s are plus 3x minus 24. So I get 6 into so called as x into x minus 8 plus 3 into x minus 8, where I get 6 into x minus 8 into x plus 3, right? So now I will be using what I showed you. Okay, you go by traditional way, there is no problem, that is for increasing. I am first directly doing C. Let me get the critical point. The critical points are x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 3 and all. Let me plot it. Who is smaller? Minus 3 and 8 bigger. Extreme right, this plus side. Okay. Now select any value between minus 3 and 8. So I will better select the value which I selected last time, because it is very nice 0. So this will become minus, this will become plus. So this is plus into minus into plus. So it will become minus. Right? Agreed, na? Yes or no? Minus 8 into 3. Minus 24. Minus 24 into 6. Minus. So it is negative. So niche aa jao. I told you I will show you. That is why I am doing this. So here it came. Now what you do? Now what you do is, generally it follows this pattern every time. Every time it is quadratic and all that. कभी कभी when it is cubic और कोई बड़ा हो जाता है तो that time it changes, otherwise it follows this pattern. Okay, if it is only two numbers so it follows this pattern. Now minus 3 से छोटा नंबर ले लो. क्या लेते हैं? minus 4. So if you take minus 4, so this is negative and even this is negative. Negative and negative is positive. This is positive, so it becomes here. ऊपर आ जाता है plus. So I can say कि function is increasing. Increasing, function is increasing. Increasing मैं बोल रहा हूँ, increasing. Increasing कहाँ पर होगा? 8 से आगे. I told if you remember कि increasing और decreasing होगा तो equal to 0 भी हो सकता है. तो 8 can be included and here minus 3 can be included. तो it is increasing for x belonging to, लेकिन negative infinity open and here so called as this minus 3 closed. So it will become 0 here. Union 8 including going up to positive infinity open. It is increasing in this and decreasing. But if I want to get function is strictly increasing. If you want strictly increasing, so here x must belong to, so it is compulsorily greater than 0, not equal to. Remember what Samir sir says. It must be compulsorily greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this minus 3 and 8 will not include. So it will become minus infinity, 2 minus 3 open, union open 8 to infinity. Nice. Okay. Understood, na? What about decreasing? Function is decreasing. Where x belongs to, minus is there here. That is, you want decreasing, not strictly. So minus 3 and 8 both will be included. Minus 3 to 8 will be included. Means like this. But strictly if you want, function is strictly decreasing. Now strictly if it is there, that time equal to will not be there, equal to 0 is not there. So if it is not there, so x will belong to open interval of minus 3 to 8. Wasn't it easy? Yes, it is very easy using wavy curve method, but it depends on the marks that are allotted. If the marks are more, then please you have to do that case 1, case 2 and then proceed. Okay? But if the marks are not there and you are being asked to so called as in objective, so who is going to see what you are doing? Use wavy curve method and get the points. Okay? I hope you have understood this, and we will be doing many more interesting questions based on this. So stay with Samir sir from SMG Group Tuition. Enjoy your studies till lockdown is there. Stay at home, stay safe, and even if the lockdown is over, do not run out of the place. Study regularly, study hard. Thank you and goodbye.